How to add a location on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device over here and make sure you're logged into your account. So launch the Google Maps application over here, and when you want to add a location in Google Maps, simply what you need to do is tap on a particular location over here. So let me just go back to the main page of the Google Maps over here. So if I want to add location, what you can simply do is tap on any particular location over here. So let me tap on a particular location over here, and what we can do is tap on the option of, so you can just save the list, and you can now just tap on to favorite places or any of these options and then tap on done. So let's tap on done. Now you can simply just go back to your U section, tap on favorites, and you'll be able to see the location that you have added over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.